What's up? I've just picked up the brand new GoPro 8. Pretty excited to try it out. So I've chucked my mountain bike on the back of the truck, heading out to Te Miro mountain bike park and go for a bit of a fitness ride. I think haven't been for a ride since last summer, so could be interesting. We just jumped back in the truck. I'm pretty shattered. It wasn't really that big a ride, but it's a bit of fitness again. Get back into it. Yeah. GoPro hopefully looks pretty cool. Chuck it on the computer, edit it and see what it does.